Hello guys, today we are going to be painting some abstract flowers with acrylic paint. I am so excited because I'm the artist of the month of October of the company Royal and Langnickel, and they were so kind to send me a box full of goodies for me to try. And today we are going to use their set of acrylic paints. Royal and Langnickel are well known for the quality of their brushes, and they are not only amazing but they're very affordable too. For this painting, we're also going to be using a Da Vinci gesso panel and a brush from Royal and Langnickel from the series C73S is a number 12 flat from the series Zen. So I wanted to talk a little bit more about the company Royal and Langnickel and their brushes. So I've been buying their products for many years, and it's a complete honor to be chosen to be the featured artist of the month. I'm still so excited, and the month of October is already gone, but I'm so happy. And when they sent me the box full of goodies, oh my god, that was the best day ever. The brushes, the quality, they also have gouache paints, which I didn't know. And I have to be honest, I haven't tried them yet because I'm waiting to make another video. But I was very impressed with the acrylics. I mean, they are very rich and vibrant. And I really had so much fun mixing them and working with them. I mean, they are very affordable and they are a very great option if you're starting out, so you don't spend a lot of money on super expensive acrylics, and you would like to try another medium later on, or if you don't like acrylics that much, this is a great way to try it out. And also their brushes, I've used the White Tacklon Crafter's Choice, which is the purple one with the white bristles, and those were my favorite. And then when I tried the Zen and the Moderna, which is the other series that they have, they are all media brushes, but I have to say they are amazing. I have used them with acrylics, with gouache, watercolor, and I love them. I mean, the quality for the price, it's amazing. So you should definitely give them a try if you're starting out, or if you're a professional artist. I mean, they are great. I've been painting now for like a year and a half, maybe, or 2 years, I think. And I buy a lot of art supplies because I have to say it's an addiction. It's an addiction. But I have tried a lot of brushes, fancy brushes. This is the best brand of brushes I've tried, and they are very affordable too, which is great. Special thanks to Sarah from Royal and Langnickel for sending me these goodies to show you guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And if you like this video, please hit the like button to let me know. I will let the link in the description box for the Royal and Langnickel shop in case you want to buy something. And as always, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.